I gotta change this text up real quick. This is bearish. Oh shoot, news delayed for government shutdown. Holy smokes. I gotta get into stage. Strizzy, I don't have my headphones on, so I can't hear you. I don't have headphones right now, so I can't. I'll just DM you. I didn't do any analysis. I gotta do my pre-market analysis real quick. I'm kind of late on this. I got my coffee. Oh shoot, what's up, Light? How are you? I need to DM you after this, Light. We need to speak. Okay, perfect. Overall, just about your progress and stuff. Just checking. You're sick today? So I can't trade in. Oh, perfect. I hope you get better soon, but I mean, at least you can trade. Okay, so yeah, because of the government shutdown, there's no economic news, which is crazy to me. Delayed for next week. I don't know how that's gonna go. I think that's the first time I've ever traded that. Okay, I gotta get a grip though. So I'm kind of speedrunning through this. I gotta think about this in terms of the weekly expansion. I am going to be looking for TGIF, retrace into the body candle. I just mark out OTE of the range and try to get a closure below, like, yeah, I'd say around like 6.2. I try to get down to here, so which is closer to EQ of the range. I think you guys already know that though, so I am going to be looking for lower prices. I'm going to open up boxes real quick, see what we're doing. Asia high now, we're distributing lower. Draws on liquidity, we have, okay, yeah, this is previous day low. Just a random low. I'll just mark this out as sell side liquidity. Oh shoot, yeah, you're right, I'm not screen sharing. Yo, what's up? What's up, guys? AK-47's here. Internal range liquidity to external range. Yeah, I could. I mean, if we are still bullish, we could see it come down, run this discount low, midnight open, or previous midnight open, and come back up higher, solely because we're below midnight open. But I kind of want to see further distribution lower. So I'm gonna have to see what's gonna happen in regards to that. I'm gonna have this marked out overall, rebalance to 0.5 and potentially lower to finish expansion of the range. Refine this. Okay. Sucks. I gotta go clean it up. Give me a second. I should be back. Give me like 3 minutes.
Hello. Did you take anything, Mantas? Alright. There's no heal. Ooh, are you a new black sheep? A light. That's cool.
Yo, what's up? Okay, benefit from midnight. I kind of just use it as like a thing of my daily power of 3. Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, basically run up here. Then I would want to see lower. I'm gonna look for first presented in a bit. Or maybe even up to midnight open. I might want to see a rejection off of midnight open. Good morning, Strizzy. Bullish? If you guys are still bullish, I mean, yeah, you can be bullish. I'm not gonna say anything about it. I personally just want to be bullish. I'm bearish. Dang. Alright, let me finish my analysis real quick. Yo, big clear. 4 order block and 25 of the weekly range. Okay, that's pretty good. Yeah, 4-hour change in state. I kind of wanted it to align with midnight open more, but it's fine that it doesn't. You can see this right here. There's kind of a discrepancy within it. To align with 4K risk. Holy smokes. Dang. This can't be right. What? Do you guys see this gap on NQ2? No. That's a lie. Alright, let's just reanalyze all of this. I'm on the wrong account. I gotta go onto the world. Okay. Here I can simplify my analysis. I'm gonna turn executions off too. I don't like seeing that. I'm on paper today. It was supposed to be because of NFP, but no NFP. I'm just gonna follow my rules. He's live trading. Wow. Okay, let's see. Let's actually see how this 4-hour BIST holds as well. If anything, we're about to form SMT at the highs with YM as well, so I'm going to be watching for that. CB here, change in state, OTE aligned with midnight open. Not really a start plat level I'd be happy taking. If we just engineer liquidity and run out this no, that wouldn't help it. Oh my goodness, I was talking and my mic was muted. But I want to see clean delivery. Um, 4 hour change in state potentially, midnight open, slightly aligned with 705. Not really to the tick, but I do want to see down into 0.5 before anything happens. If we have clean delivery, we'll come into 0.5 and we can expect longs off of that. Here though, potentially come off of midnight open, run lower into 0.5 of the range. I think I want to see this just engineer liquidity, and that's really it. I'm not taking this, I'm just going to mark it out. When I do my analysis, get all my liquidity marked out. Previous day high red. Yeah, previous day high is completely gone. So, yeah, I'm gonna wait. At least until 9:45. This is such baloney. There we go. Alright, SMT external high with YM. I'll have this marked out. I'm gonna leave a limit here on the Start Platinum paper account and just continue trading the world. I'm kind of just doing data collection between the two right now for like one trade a day. Kind of forced. Actually, no, not really forced. Just using a different criteria. Just to see. Then I gotta wait for the macro to come, then I macro model my way through whatever we have. So, yeah, I'm looking at 500 right now. Orange liquidity bearish. I mean, I'm going more off of the power of 3 and like rebalancing ranges. That's closer to how I trade. Within macro though, I gotta see more gaps form. Dang. Okay. Was this sequential? It was. Sequential SMT at the highs. I don't know actually. I'd say I think it would be, but maybe like CISD continuation shorts would be decent. I don't entirely know. Opening range gap has already been completely, I mean, you can see how tight the opening range gap is. We didn't really move soon. Long soon, midnight open. Dang, okay. Um, Typically I look for something like this. If we formed a gap here, I'd anticipate the upper portion, like 0.5 of the gap, to not get filled. And I try to look for shorts off of it, but I need to see the gap form first, the gap without changing state of delivery, and then going from there. For sequential SMT, we need CISD after SMT. Isn't it just SMT after 2 quarters? Or is this the CISD after the SMT? Either way though. I mean, it's not entirely bad. I can see it's going lower. So for macro, I want to see us rebalance the range. I'm probably going to take like a PXL mitigation block. If we can retrace, change state, fail to tap into 0.5 here, we can do some damage around the 25th quadrant of the SIBI. And then going lower, I can try to short off of this, or if there's an inversion within the range, then we can go off of that. But we're getting kind of within range for me to start looking for a short. I'm going to move this to the side and kind of just like disregard it for a second. And I'm going to be waiting for what I said I was waiting for to hit. I'm going to mark out the first presented on my own real quick. Yeah, you can wait for 10. You show me from Jordan. But don't let that say you're still bullish, William. After the price gives me an intermediate term high from this gap. Okay. Let me know when you're in. Hamu. Muduv. Let me know when you're in. And tell me where your stop is. I'll mark it out on my chart. 100%. Look, I know. I see the 4-hour busy. Yeah, let me know, William. Thank you. Because all I see is a premium inefficiency. We haven't read into discount. For the bare minimum of longs for me is to get down into discount of the range. Without that, I'm not looking for longs until we get down into at least 0.5. So I'm leaning more towards shorts until we do get down to 0.5. Once we do though, then I can look for something. So here, change in state. Yeah, change in state right here. Inside the CB, let's wait for the macro to open, 945. We don't really use the 945 like 950. 950 is the true macro. That's basically price will react when we hit 950, but 945 is just, it's within macro for me, for like what I want to see within the range. So bang, 945, get a little bit more volatile. Let's see if this holds, and then we can potentially get short off of this low right here. Oh yeah, look at this. This is this is Sam short. I saw you talking about that in Nick. Man, just like, what is this? Okay, commit to left. Okay. Be open to new ideas. Practice kindness. Hold the doors open for the elderly. Remain calm. Yep. Play and explore. What are you? What? What did you say to ChatGPT to make that happen? Or what is that? Nocte Tosia, save your seas? Dang. Yeah, it does sound like Spider-Man. Oh yeah, I see that. That's crazy work. Are those on your sim funded? Crazy. Five fig payout. Give me one fig. I knew you were gonna say that. I 100% knew you were gonna say that. I actually funded. I'm trying to stack funded. So my next video, I'm gonna be copy trading. See how much of a disaster that would go. I don't think it'd be too bad, but I don't know if it'll be good. Alright. We're blowing straight through this civvy. So sad. I want to see continuation, but I'm definitely going to be looking for more SMT to form. If we can form SMT with the highs, which it's looking like it's going to do, I'll show you real quick. I'm waiting for SMT to get formed at the highs here. Go to quest tab. What? Wait, what do the orbs do though? I'll look for it, but... Yeah, it is, and I could try Kina. It's still on, it's still open. It's kind of desolate because a lot of the people like M4, swaying, they leave to start their own mentorships. But yeah, it's open. If we can still respect the civvy, then we can reasonably see run lower. I'll look for 4-hour power 3 today too. Because if we're gonna accumulate and 10 a.m. opens, I'm gonna look for manipulation. I try to align 4-hour power 3 with the daily power of 3. Like for example, I saw only damage higher, manipulation above the midnight opening price. Now I'm looking for distribution lower. If we're gonna reaccumulate here, manipulate into midnight open as part of our 4-hour power 3, we can easily catch some sort of distribution lower and reasonably target what it is. Yeah, price move without to my way without me. Yes chart. Hold up. Let me try to split it real quick. This is my old chart right here. OG chart colors. This one's so much smoother than this one. This one isn't. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, these were my chart colors in class. Maybe it's just all the indicators I have plastered onto my chart. Maybe the drawings. I don't know what it is, but it's just so much leggier. Like this. This is smooth for me. Either way, we're gonna close that up. Yeah, no, I see the higher time frame power 3. If you're thinking that's more, I'm thinking it was already manipulated higher. Let me project the manipulation like real quick, just to confirm. Huh. You might be right, William. You might be right. We've already nailed the max expansion of the manipulation leg, so we'd be looking for the distribution. We'd currently be using the distribution leg right now, but if we're gonna reaccumulate, we're already reaccumulating within premium. The only thing that would save us is, as I said, just S&T at the high right here. These chart colors make me nostalgic. Where's my... Gotta make this a dark yellow. So what are the... There we go. Alright, we're gonna be waiting for this SMT to get put in at the high. We were also looking for this 4-hour change in state up here with midnight open, but I only have that on a paper limit for star plat data. Went back from my... Okay. I'll be waiting for you, Kina. That sounds good, though. YM is just pumping heavy. Yeah, Emperor has a mentorship, and you have to sign an NDA for it. Yeah, he does. Right here. He changed his name to Bruce, but this is Emperor, and he switched to Order Flow. Emperor hasn't taken a payout yet. You take buy now? Okay, who moves in longs? Where's your stop at? No, man. Huh? Hamu, where's your stop? He taked buy now. I gotta see. I'm gonna assume it'd be this low. And how many? Yeah, that's a good question. How many RR are you aiming for?
M4 has no payouts. M4 has no payouts. Wing makes more money. Wing makes more money. He gets more chicken. M4 has no payouts.
950? What? 950 RR? What? I need a grasp of. Oh shoot, Yash? I know who you are. People were talking about you. Yash. 2.25? What? 2 to 2.5 RR? I'm not gonna lie. Your buys are kind of getting exploded. Himu. This is tragic. 6 to 7? Oh my goodness. Yash. Who do I know? How do I know Yash? I think. No. People were talking about Yash like he was some mythical Pokemon earlier. I just can't remember. Yash. Are you sure? I don't remember. Oh my goodness, Hamu. No, no shorts for me. Alright, we formed SMT high with ES. I'd say we're good to go lower now. Sadly, we didn't get the start plat limit, but it should be good right now. Yeah. It's closer. It was last year, October, when we got like 1,000, no, like 500 people during one. You just buy at the SMT. I know. Turtle soup that. SMT form? Bang! But Hamu. Hold up. I take this from 950. Yeah, M4 was one of my students. He went down the dark path. He was the student. Yeah. Okay, we're within macro. Let's see what we can do. 950 macro open, manipulation through the high, external SMT within macro. Everything's good for our shorts. No, he's going down looking for the I don't know, shiny object, I guess, looking for top and bottom tick, shiny ball. We are with you, Humu. No, I'm not okay. He shorted off the turtle soup of the high. This is tragic. Only longs now? I'm still looking for shorts. I'm gonna let it accumulate if it happens though. If it just accumulates, I'll let it. I like the SMT at the high though. Tom bottom tick. Exactly. I remember you were getting payouts from bottom ticking, Trey. Ah, PXL. I don't know what to do here. Typically I take a continuation short because we form the breakaway gap, but I'd have to target PDL. So I guess I'll just data collect the world I get. Yeah, I'll just data collect the world. Let's sell here. Turn executions back on because we're in action. We're looking for a continuation short, hoping that this is a breakaway gap and we're not going to return to it. We're looking for this little, I mean, I guess it's closer to the realm of a breaker block now because we ran out the high with SMT. We're going to be looking for this, and for Star Platinum, I need to find a Star Platinum limit. Because this one is obviously not going to get hit, so we're going to be looking for a long limit somewhere around here. So we're going to go off of that. So, original short here. I'm going to be on the hourly, starting to look for some sort of long that I can be taking. Quickly. Shoot. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, there's nothing. I guess I can just hold that one out. It's placement through this low, hopefully, for 10 a.m. open. and then we don't destroy me out of this position. I want a little traceman for shorts. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Akura? I'm good. I don't know. Typically, I would look for retracement, but I'm going off of just the breakaway gaps. Overall structure to me looks pretty bearish, so I'm just what was it called? I'm kind of betting on momentum holding us lower, as well as the first presented gap we finally got below it. I don't want to see back up to it. We've already done our accumulation. I would honestly go break even right now. Get low super fit. I'm cooked? No, I'm not. Yeah, I know. Let's see how cooked I am in, what was it called, 30 seconds. Do we actually have news today? Because I thought it was closed. I know we have PMI, but is PMI still gonna come when, yeah. We have PMI, but I'm not sure if it'll drop because of the government shutdown. Not the ISO, it will come out. Let's see what happens. We have 8 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bang! Bang! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm cooked. I'm so cooked, William. Trust? Bro, you've been calling out longs the whole time. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm looking for. More 10 a.m. manipulation lower. I was kind of betting on this run to take out previous day low as part of our manipulation, and then we could do some more damage in the middle of the range and like stay more range bound to get a higher time frame rebounds, because this range is really unbalanced to me. So that's kind of what I'm going off of right now. So what are the yeah, I think I'm good. Proper break even, running out external low, I guess. Decent risk management. Yeah, it's not too bad. Come on. Come on. It's not gonna hit. Yeah, we got it. Woohoo. We hit it. Perfect. What was entry? No, just PXL. Hey, what's
W
up,
trade.
Trey? How are you?
Good. I took pretty much the same trade. I took the 2-minute inverse though.
Okay, that's
But that
good.
it was the entry was at like 25 122. W. Fuck,
Yeah.
I didn't think there was any news. I didn't even look at Forex Factory today,
I
bro.
know, I was thinking that it wasn't gonna hit, but it doesn't really bother me too much.
Well, yeah, because it was in your direction.
Yeah, I know. Manipulation through PXL,
Okay, I'm off for the day. I made 800, so.
oh, perfect. Funded?
Nah, just
It's o-
Combine right now.
it's
I'm
okay.
trying to work my way up to getting like 5 Express accounts.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with Alpha and get 3 qualifieds.
I was thinking about it. Is Alpha good?
Honestly, I like them. The price is better than Top Step. It's like Top Step, but with a better price.
Yeah, I know, but like the only problem I have is that it's like so promoted by like every guru ever.
Use code
It
Mantas.
just seems like, yeah, exactly. So what does zero do?
No activation fee. Same rules as Top Step, like 50% payout,
Oh,
90%
okay,
private
that's what it
split, yeah.
was. I think I did buy an alpha account once, actually, now that I think about it. Oh, yeah, I did. Because it's you can do it one day, right?
Yeah, one day pass. I bought one for news and it didn't
I
fill
bought
me.
one for yeah, I bought one for what
Oh, he's
news was it?
Chinese.
Like
CPI. I traded CPI with it.
nah, that's what I took. What's the one news that's like crazy? I think it was just the FOMC. that when Powell was releasing
Mhm.
that shit, and I bought it for that. And my internet in school is like super ass. So I already like on my one of my like fundeds on Top Step X, I just randomly entered longs like 10 minutes before because I knew it was probably gonna go up.
Mhm.
And then so that hit. But with my Alpha Futures account that I bought, I was like changing where my stop limit was because you know like the that method. And dude, fucking, I was up 2,700 where I would have like already like been out of it, and then it just came all the way back. It took me out, bro.
Mhm.
So unfortunate.
Yeah, that is unfortunate. What's up, Kappa? I see, I see. Didn't you get stopped out of that? What was entry trigger? The actual entry itself was closer to, I guess you could say it's closer to breaker. It's just this wick though. I've been using this pretty frequently for the world. If we're just placing breakaway gaps and we have no high probability order blocks, I mean, in terms of, yeah, we none of it, I just go off of this little gap right, this little mitigation block right here. Mitigation block wick, PXL wick, that's really it. Just run through this closure, retrace, tap into it, and just immediately run lower, straight to draw on liquidity. Only reason why I took it with confidence was because of the breakaway gaps forming here. We can anticipate with speed and displacement price to manipulate through this low for our 4-hour power of 3, which is now colliding with our daily power of 3, so that's kind of bad. But this is manipulation lower. I was expecting manipulation through sell side liquidity, not previous day low. This is previous day low. This is our discount liquidity, so this is just low hanging fruit objective. We could obviously come back down all the way to previous day low down here, but I go after really conservative targets of the world. Just high quality, consistent targets. So we can really see lower prices off of this high probability busy. But I'm definitely gonna have to wait a bit. If we do form an inversion here or a high probability inversion, we could frame the idea of longs. But I would rather stay short bias for the rest of the day if I'm being honest. Oh, you took short. Oh, good job, Moo. You made it all back. Regardless, though, not really much manipulation above the 10 a.m. I guess if this was the manipulation, 10 a.m. is going to distribute and we're in alignment, I guess that could make sense. If this is all accumulation, then the actual manipulation of the turtle soup high here for the 4-hour power 3, that would have been free shorts if I'm being honest. The turtle soup shorts. I wanted to hit shorts off of the midnight open though. If we manipulated into midnight open right here, imagine the potential of just top ticking this right here. What's it called? 1 point away.
Oh, is that what you were looking for today?
Yeah, in terms of level.
What was it?
This was just 4-hour change in state, midnight open, and OTE 705. Those
Okay.
alignments made it good enough for me, and the SMT at the high was kind of the thing that, like the cherry on top for me, and the run of this engineered liquidity going into 3 drives. Good enough for me. So we didn't get filled on that, so that's fine. Targeting a quick 1.5k. So far, the world is in lead by like $1,000 in terms of trading. So these two right here, Star Platinum, we had 1 win using Star Plat right here from this long. We had 1 loss overnight. The level actually got hit nicely. Look, we hit it, we reacted, we ran lower, ran out minute low. I should have, or if I was awake, I would have gone break even, but I was asleep at this point. It was 11:05 when I got filled here off of this level. Tapped it, ran lower, broke me out, or took me out. So those are my 2 levels. Your friend was liquidity. Yeah. You're still bullish? I just didn't find entry? Oh, okay. Your friend just lost 6k. Holy smokes. You gotta come to the markets prepared. But yeah. Now I'm done looking for macro model trades. I'm gonna look for like levels and stuff. Can you do 20-second clip? Yeah, I can find one. I can send you clips of me boxing, but I can also get you clips of me shadow boxing. Wasn't realistic. Yeah, he was actually. He just likes high win rate. He was pretty consistent with Powell, like taking payouts and like waking up and making money. But yeah, it
Yeah,
is.
I was like hella locked in on wig theory, but
Mhm.
the problem is like, and then everybody in that space too, like what I started to learn, because I'm friends with like a lot of the bigger guys. I won't say like who it is, but like you'll when you like know them and you know they're making money because they have a lot of capital, and obviously like eventually if you just go in with like a lot of money over risk with a low win rate, you'll hit it eventually, pass the account, get the payout on. They like the ones that no consistency rule or whatever, and they don't show their like P&L. Like you'll never see their P&L, you'll never see their balance.
Never see them
Like
live
all that shit's
trading.
always locked. Yeah, it's never. That's the problem.
Yeah, that is. That's what I noticed too. Same thing with some order flow traders too. In a lot of the group chats I'm in, a lot of them are they're genuine frauds. I'm not even kidding. They talk about they're literally LARPing, and they're talking about how most of the stuff they're buying is from their mentorship, from selling their mentorship. Top and bottom thinking is the method for finding people that will fall into that trap. It's crazy.
Yeah,
Ooms.
I was like pretty good at like wig theory, which was like Powell's main model, but it's just
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I like higher win rate. I don't know. He's got like years and years in the market, so he has a lot more like discretion
Yeah.
that he's able to use
Screen
on
time.
that. So I think yeah, that's a big part of the reason I think.
Yeah. I get it. Screen time is a major part for what I use in my levels. Like, I need a lot of context behind my levels, otherwise it's not high probability for me, and I just can't take it. Like this one, it was perfect alignment. If I would have hit it, I'm confident that the 4-hour power of 3 would have done its job and pushed us lower, even though it's, in essence, it's a lower quality level, but I know that if we're going to be manipulating higher, I'm overall bearish on the day, this is a good target for a manipulation. If I would have
Oh,
hit that,
Dutch
I would
is
be
good
happy.
too, actually.
What's up?
He said, "What do you think about Dutch?" Yeah, Dutch is good too, actually.
Dutch is pretty decent. I mean, he got exposed for the time and sales incident, and he is kind of new to the trading
Yeah.
space. I think he's been, well, no, that was a few months ago. I think he's been trading for around a year or less than a year. Standard deviation trader. Dutch.
He does have money, which you don't really know.
I've
He's had
never
a
heard of
course since
Oswald.
he fucking started, but
No, yeah, there's MMXM before IPG and Silverblood. Yeah, it's just a trend. Some people fall into it and they become stuck. Like I had my student Matthew. He's been in that trap for so long. He's been trading
bro, I
for
know Matthew, yeah.
yeah.
And he's fucking talking in the
Mhm.
in do you know VVV or no?
No, I heard him talking about it. He tells me
Yeah,
about it.
he's in that. I'm like, dude, I'm friends with him. I just can't trade the strategy. It's just not for me, but
Hmm.
uh like Matthew is always talking in there. And cuz I saw on my friend's phone who's in that thing, and he also thinks that top and bottom ticking is going to be the way to break him out the fucking matrix, and I see them always talking in the level discussion, bro.
Oh yeah, I see. Because he used to be trading like he used to trade days corollary theory. Then he moved on to Powell. Then he moved on to standard deviation. Well, just overall, he's been model hopping so much.
Yeah, it's a problem. It's hard though, because you see that and you want it, obviously, but like no one's gonna talk about how many losses there are. With like proper risk management, that's a like VVV and like a couple guys I know in that space, like you will make money if you have capital for it. Like, cause I've had times where with the strategy, like I've talked to them before, like when I used to trade it, you can have a time where you'll buy a funded and you'll lose 10 trades in a row because you only risk $200 per trade. And then they're just like, yeah, it happens. That's when you just keep buying fundeds. Cause it's like you have to wait for that one lucky one to hit, kinda.
Hmm. Yeah. Snibble. Snibble is a
Wait,
top and bottom ticker, but he's been on a 6 trade losing streak, and he's down 3K on his sim funded right now.
who's Snibble?
He's one of my students that tops and bottom ticks, but he's been really consistent with it. Recently, though, he's been kind of in a period of he's in a losing streak right now, and it's brutal. I'm looking for the shadow boxing clip right now, but I can't find it.
Wait, why is Powell a capper? Oh,
Snibble
Ivy is
overtrades.
here.
Oh, really?
Yo, Z. also, like, I was talking to someone about it, and they were saying, like, if Powell wanted to, he could still be fucking paper trading on shit. Because they were, like, checking his WAP on how much he made, bro, and he makes, like, $300,000 a month off you guys. And he's had, like, $1 million months off of his fucking mentorship.
Yeah, but in a lot of the trade recaps, he actually takes them live, which is surprising to me. He shows the actual executions and everything, which is crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
it's all on YouTube
only
for
did
free.
hindsight trade recaps as well. I can tell you that his trades don't make sense.
Yeah, but in his
Yeah,
Discord,
I
he
had that
calls out these
problem.
random levels. In Powell's premium, yeah, you join his premium, but sometimes Powell says like these random levels or gives hints towards levels and they actually hit.
Yeah, he's pretty good.
Oom's the
I
goat.
think.
It's crazy. What happened to
But
Oom's guts?
Powell was trading that for a long time before he got profitable.
Mhm.
Yeah, take Ivy's advice, bro. Don't fucking join a mentorship, bro. Besides Black Sheep.
Oh yeah, Black Sheep is the only one.
But yeah, dude, like with PV, because I trade PV model now, and I take almost the same trades as Blake almost every day, and it's fucking
Hold on. That was
it was nothing used. Everybody has their sauce on YouTube somewhere.
yeah.
Like even Powell, I don't know if you ever saw that video, Mantis. There was like a TikTok, and he was with like Shinobi or someone like that,
Yeah.
and he was like, someone was like, "How do you bottom and top take?" And he's like, "2016 ICT rejection blocks."
I gotta look for rejection blocks. This looks like a decent one right here, but I forgot about them. Where would the
Yeah,
rejection
Powell's
blocks
model
be?
is like he'll take like any rejection block.
This one
That's I
right
didn't
here.
understand. I was like, I used to, I used to ask him like, "Oh wait, how do you find your rejection blocks?" He goes, "I don't know. Just you got to take the ones that look good." Okay, yeah, that's nice. Like,
You
yeah,
gotta take the
that's
ones that
funny,
look good.
bro. It's just crazy because he'll take a 1 minute rejection block
Mhm.
and be like, and fucking hold it for a year.
Yeah.
I was like, how'd you know that rejection block was gonna play? Isn't it kind of random? And then I forgot what it was. He said some like dumb shit that just made me like crash out, bro.
I can't find any shadow box. I'm looking. Actually, would boxing clips work, Cyrus, or does that have to be shadow boxing? Okay, if the shadow. Okay, I'll make one. I'll make one today.
Wait, shadow boxing like the game where like you
Yeah, yeah.
do
Where
shit
you
with
like
against your
you look
friend?
in one direction, you look up and down and stuff.
Okay, okay. I didn't know if it like actual like shadow boxing.
Hmm.
Have you been trading your fundeds a lot, Mantis, or not?
No, not this week. I have last week. This week I took one loss in eval, and I'm just waiting for next week.
Were
Kind of
you
just
up
data
last week?
collecting for this week. I was gonna be trading, but something changed inside me.
Okay.
It told me not to trade fundeds this week, even though I've been hitting crazy trades on demo. It's just not what I feel like doing right now.
Yeah, I don't know. It's not that smart too right now. With
I'm honestly getting fear because of the people that, oh, the government shutdown, the government shutdown. You're gonna blow your accounts. Blah, 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 blah. Drop a new vid.
I don't
I was, so I'll figure it out. Thinking on the right, you look at the right. I'll do some today. I got it. It's Friday. Yeah, I'll find a time to make a new video. I was supposed to
Mantis, do you
drop it
copy
yesterday.
trade?
What's up?
Do you copy trade?
I will be copy trading for the first time going into next week.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, sometimes I do. I guess you can consider this to be a rejection block. Do I have the RB template? No, I don't. Alright. No, distributing higher. Is this a high probability inversion? I'm not sure. I can see this holding. I'd say that if I wasn't done trading the world today, and if we formed another gap, I would try to long this. High probability inversion through the low. Oh, hold up. Yeah, still at the SMT at the lows currently. Yeah, we do have S&P lows. Huh? Yeah, okay, so I will push-ups and shit. Let's see IB. You cooked. Good entry. I think you are. Yeah, you're kind of cooked. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, you're on gold. I saw. I'm looking at gold right now. It's kinda. It's not good. It's not looking good right now. Support and resistance. Support and resistance is good. It works. I recommend every beginner to start using support and resistance. I'd want to see closure above the city. So shadow blocks for Cyrus. Um, do you guys want to watch UFC this Saturday in the Discord? I don't know if I want to go to B-dubs and blow B-dubs up or watch UFC here with Baltic. I'm not sure though. If Baltic's unavailable, I'm going to B-dubs and I'm gonna make a crazy video. Yusuf is gonna make a comeback and we're gonna get kicked out. I gotta speak with him. Reaccumulation after the distribution. Running out external range liquidity. I don't know anything else. Let me check it out. 10-3. Let me look at my old videos real quick. Oh shoot. He has to explain what he did yesterday because he almost hit something and burned out. Just finished going to the gym. Let's see if we did.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go back to sleep, Mantas, because
Five,
it's still like
lined up, or-
7:30 for me.
Hey, sleep well, bro.
Good job on the week, everybody. Hopefully you
That
are
is all model.
positive.
And
If
it's
not,
post 1
at least you
PM.
got
I'm
on.
willing to take
That's
more
the
shorts
most important part.
and target a discount retracement to the range just because we ran out.
Okay.
Or, no, we ran
Good luck
lower,
next
and I
week,
want to see if
Mantis.
we can
I'll
do it.
probably
So,
hop and
sell
call a
limit
little bit.
705.
We'll see. Oh, let's.
Mhm.
I don't know. We'll see.
Alright.
I'll try to get in here but I have school, so.
It's all good. Alright, see you. I've lined up perfectly with
Look
this
at this
mitigation
short.
block again. So,
Mitigation block, this is the same concept or I guess mitigation, what PXL, kind of the same concept I used today.
Limit 705 lined up perfectly with this mitigation block again. So, what I did, shorts again. And my take profit was this low right here. Boom, and yes, I think, how much people took that one actually? Can you guys tell me how much people took this one? What the F? Or did literally no one take it? Okay. You are able to see and go back. Bullish bias, just give out. Want to trade, like, if you want your psychology to be on. Yeah, let's sell. So 20 hour right, so it's 65. Dang. This was a year ago, I'm pretty sure. October 19th, yeah. Really matter, I'm gonna handle it. Okay. This is why I was unprofitable. I was trading 5M and Q. Power 3, 2 degrees. Okay. We're about to close above this high probability inversion. I gotta get Alex from Mosby. So, high probability inversion. What's up, Ivy?
Yo,
Yo.
bro, did you see the thing M4 sent?
What did M4 send?
It was like he was like, "Yo, my trades are so fucking good," and it was a fucking trading view paper trade top tick short, and then Sam goes, "Yeah, I caught the same thing, but I'm on a funded or XFA."
What was it? Oh, I see. Order flow on top. That's funny.
That's fucking cooked. Dude, that kid like lose all of his fucking evals or something. Like
No, he did.
that's fried, bro. How does bro sell a mentorship and not make money in the paper trade? It's fried.
I know. He's going down a LARPer path.
Yeah, it's cooked. Bro, paper trading is down. Paper trading is down?
I've been on paper trading the whole time.
Yeah, what
I
does that
think you're
even
just
mean?
unlucky. He hasn't made a single
Yeah,
cent.
I know Sires. It's actually cooked, bro. It's actually cooked. Didn't he made bread off selling that course? Dude,
Yeah,
that's
his
so cooked.
mentorship.
That's so cooked. He keeps telling me to join his Discord server, and I was like, fuck no.
Bro, if you talk about Mantas or Ivy, if you say if someone else says your name or talks about you, he'll kick them or delete the messages and stuff.
Yeah, no, it's actually crazy.
We do not trade accumulation. We wait for high quality setups. I want to hit the gym.
Bro.
I guess I'm done training for the day. Decent application on my system.
I'm about to go on a run.
Yeah, I got to do that too.
Let this trade go. Dude, I started running again like 2 or 3 days ago. I've been running every day. You know the app called Map My Run?
Yeah.
Dude, I was doing it and I did it was like 2.3 miles. And it took me 16 minutes to do it, bro. Which I don't think that's good. Because isn't per mile supposed to be like 6 minutes or something? Or 5 minutes?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so like I'm really behind on my running, so I gotta like lock the fuck in, bro. Ivy, are you new? Like, what do you mean? Am I new? For
I think he's talking about
like,
running.
am I new to running? Are you asking? Is the Z kid asking if I'm new to running or trading?
Running, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I'm new to. I'm not like new to it. I used to run a lot, but I stopped doing it for probably like a few months, maybe even a year, and then I don't know, something just was telling me like I gotta lock the fuck in again on it, cause I want to try to get a little bit more lean. Bro, Sam, you run on a treadmill, bro, and you don't even have a 15-inch bicep yet, bro. Stop typing, bro. 16 minutes for 2 miles isn't bad. Yeah, bro. Sam, bro. Invite Sam up here really quick. Wait, Sam's not even in the call.
Just can happen anytime and then surprise you, sir.
Sam. Let's see.
Yeah.
I'm just not trying to watch this gold
He's
trade.
watching from the YouTube.
Oh, I see.
Wait, Sam, where did you tell M4 you took it on live?
It was in the
Nih.
VC. That shit was fucking hilarious. That shit was fucking hilarious.
Pull back to the server value. I would typically try to long this, but I'm not gonna take it because I don't want to ruin the paper stats, but every time I trade stuff like this in accumulation, I get destroyed. Like, I actually get blown up. We're gonna target the 5-minute rejection block if we did take it, but I'm just gonna watch it. We look for closure above and then go for it. But I don't like trading the world in accumulation.
Yeah, dude, this government shutdown is like,
Baloney.
this shit's crazy, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Crazy. And I feel bad for like people that are just getting into trading like now. Like that shit is so fried. Starting during the government shutdown. Like they shouldn't even be trading. They should just wait another month. To be honest, I don't even know why I'm trading. I don't even think I'm that seasoned of a trader to be trading right now, but I'm still doing it.
Yeah, she has it on the big screen. Put you guys into some truth. What? Actually destroy each other. That's crazy. I'll try to get shadow boxing clips for you later today, Cyrus, when I hit the gym, okay?
Wait, look at GMs.
Huh?
Is that a good intro?
Yeah. Can I play it on stream?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Okay.
I didn't do the whole thing. I just did like
Up with
first 5
intensity,
seconds.
focus, and discipline every day, even when it's hard, even when you don't feel like it. That's how you separate yourself from everyone who will settle for mediocrity. Are you really journaling? Are you really backtesting? Are you
Looks good. Looks very good.
The first bit.
The first
Yeah.
bit is good. The only thing,
I don't-
every
the
day,
kicks are
even
kind of
when it's
weak.
hard, even when you don't feel like it.
That's my
I
problem.
can make
Let me see.
Here,
Let me
look.
see it.
Here, this is the intro to.
Up with intensity, focus, and discipline every day, even when it's hard, even when you don't feel like it.
Like
That's
those
how you
kicks are kind of weak.
separate
But it's
yourself
up to
from
you.
everyone
Oh,
who will
yeah.
settle for
That
mediocrity.
was-
Yeah, if you need more clips tonight, I got you with more clips.
Okay. Do you think I should add an intro or should I just add an outro? Because like people will already know what it is from the title and thumbnail.
Sam, I can't let you up. Yo, Z, is Z still in the call? Because it's not letting me
Yo, I
accept
got
his
that,
friend
but
request.
yo, Ivy, you hit TP?
Nah,
What's good,
dude.
What's up?
Bro, look at let me screenshot what's going on.
No
Dude.
way, bro. You don't hit TP, bro.
Bro. Bro. Bro thinks he's tough because he had a fucking 80-point trade, bro. Like you're a little faggot, bro.
Oh, dang.
Like, look at this shit. Sam, that shit was 6 points away from hitting all-time high. And it didn't put in SMTs or anything yet, so I'm still winning.
Man,
This is a crazy
we
But
trade,
can't.
yo.
Sam, good trade, but like the difference between your trade and my trade?
Shut up. Yo, shit, weak, my boy.
Nah, my shit live, your shit unlive.
Oh,
These
come
guys are
show me your
sitting on.
throne, it.
What,
What
bro?
is that?
Yo, Sam, you think that
You
what do
can
you
slide
think
me up,
about
yeah.
M4, bro? Lately?
Bruce.
Why? What does Mantas feel?
Bro, you already know how I feel.
LARP? LARP?
Lord.
Yeah, I don't really like talking. I don't really like talking to him, to be honest, anymore.
Well, can you even talk to him?
Mark, join. Bro, Ivy, put your shit on a voice isolation.
How do I do that?
Um,
How do I do
so
that?
you swipe the top right down.
I'm on my phone.
Yeah, I know, top right.
Top right.
You
On your
talk
screen,
back.
your whole screen. Now you see that in the middle at the top, Discord controls.
No.
You fucking retard. The top right of your corner, you see with the battery and the Wi-Fi.
Wait, hold on. Dude. Alright, wait, where? I don't
From
know
the
what you're saying, bro, to me.
from your battery, bro. Top right, drag it down,
On my battery.
bro. The Wi-Fi logo thing, the top right of your screen,
Yes,
boy.
bro. Alright, bro, I did it, bro.
And I go to the middle where it says Discord controls at the top.
I don't have Discord controls on my thing, bro. What are you
Oh
talking
my
about?
god, you're dumb.
Bro, Discord controls, bro. Where, bro? Oh,
That's
wait, I found it. And then what? Microphone?
yeah. Go to voice isolation.
Bro, I don't have that as an option, bro.
Oh my god.
Nah, like, I'm dead ass. That's not an option, bro.
Alright.
All right.
Here, I'm taking this on. I don't know. I'm taking this on a different account that doesn't reflect my model. High probability inversion.
Bro, Ivy's got to be the most retarded nigga I know.
Bro, you dropped out of high school. You're so stupid, bro. Bitch ass up, dude.
Wait, actually, Mantis did.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, but Mantis is not fucking retarded, bro. You're retarded, Sam.
They got fucking hurt you.
I'll be watching him move.
Ivy, stop DMing me dick pics, bro. I don't want it anymore.
All right, send what I sent you.
All right.
If
I'll
I
just
actually
I'll just AI that shit.
sent, you're a loser. You would AI that shit.
Hold up, watch. Imagine, what the fuck is this beef cut? There's no such thing as beef here, man.
Z, the way Sam caught that trade Z was actually my motto.
He's such a liar. He's such,
Put it on God, I'm a liar, bro.
I'm g-
Yo, that's
um,
that is so crazy.
bro. He would trade standard deviation key opens, bro. Don't talk to me.
Bro, quarterly theory too, bro. Like, what are you talking about? I taught you this, bro.
You,
Come on. Come
you,
on.
you. Just a
Don't
PSP.
nah, don't act like that, bro. Like, bro, be nice to the hand that feeds you, all right?
Yo, nigga, what the fuck?
Be nice to the hand that feeds you,
Bro,
bro.
only thing that I do for confirmation is a PSP, you dumb nigga.
Nah, bro.
7. That's so gay. Be nice to the. What the fuck?
Yeah,
I be cold as fuck, cuh.
appreciate it, bro. You too, bro. Sam not cold though. Sam is a little ass dude, bro.
Stand warm.
Sam
Sam,
is not cold, bro.
what you just said to me, bro?
You're a little
Ah,
ass kid, bro, and you should go back to fucking school.
you know what I should do, bro? I should
Get a
slap
life.
you. I should slap the fuck out you next time I see you, dude. I be
Yeah,
still
Sam.
awesome. Sam teach Ivy a lesson.
What lesson would Sam possibly be able to teach me?
I I'll fuck him over P&L for P&L.
You want to bet?
No. I wanna fuck him. I caught long from my
Oh, Romeo's back. What?
Wait, Romeo, what the
Romeo.
fuck?
That's crazy.
Bro, what the
I thought you were on break.
fuck?
What happened?
Dio patria famine.
Yo,
What?
what's good?
What's
What's
good,
up,
Nick?
Romeo? It's been a while.
I'm not home, boys.
Huh?
Yo,
I'm not
let me
home.
see your trade, Romeo. Let me see the trade you took.
I'm mobile phone. How the fuck am I supposed to let you see my trade?
Send the picture of the trade.
I'm on my phone, bro.
Yeah, screenshot it, bro. It's
Alright, anyway,
simple.
I'll send the screenshot to Mantas in DMs, then I'll call you back. All right?
That
Alright,
shit.
I cannot.
I got
All
it.
right, see you guys.
What?
What does that even mean, bro? Like, said, how would I send a trade, bro? Screenshot that shit. But
I know, bro. Bro, just Aura Farm. How you doing, bro? It's been a while.
Yeah, seems like people
Hey,
are joining
Shady.
recently. Oh my.
What's up, bro? Man, did you just enter to the IFG without tab
Well, I
back
didn't
into?
get filled, honestly, so not much I can do about it.
Oh, Angel's in here. Angel's tough.
yeah, let Angel join. The
Angel
stage.
is tough at trading.
I got you.
Angel's a little fag though.
Oh, what's up, Angel?
Nah, fuck.
Yo, what's good, Angel?
Yo, I was gonna tell you, you have an amp live, right?
Yeah.
What did you start off with? You can text it
Uh,
to me. You can say it out loud.
yeah, I'll text it to you. Something crazy.
He started with how much was it?
Shut your mouth, boy.
Okay. He started with 20 bucks.
Yeah, I started with $20 when the margin is at least fucking
Bro,
300.
that doesn't even cover the live data.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, you're retarded.
Nah, fuck with you. He started with three figs.
3 figs? You
And
sound like
how many
fucking
minis could
dumbass.
you buy with that?
What?
How many minis could you buy with that?
In the beginning?
Yeah,
I only did 1.
you only did 1.
Yeah.
I'd be a little pussy, bro. He should have done 2 minis, bro.
Bro, you doing a live account speed run to blow it, bro.
Me?
Sam, if you did 2 minis.
Bro, I'll kiss
Oh,
your
yeah.
forehead, Nick.
Nah, the first trade I ever took on it was with MNQs. It was a
Yeah.
few scalps, and then I built a little bit, and then I went into one mini, and then I started full porting, and then I did a swing trade,
Yeah.
and then now I could trade up to 3 on gold now.
Oh shit. So is the
But it's
is a mini on NQ, does it cost $300?
what?
Or not $300? Does a mini on NQ is all you need $300?
I'm not 100% sure. I just deposited more than that in the beginning though.
Yeah.
But Bean told me the margin requirement was only $300 to trade minis and shit. So
Yeah.
I think so.
I just don't understand how that works though, because if it's $300, like how much can you risk? Like 2 ticks and then you get liquidated?
I'm not really sure. My stop loss has been small. I mean, I've been stopped out. I've only hit stop loss 2 on 2 trades, and it was like for like a point on gold
Yeah.
or less. But
No, because I have a
why?
Trade of
Are
Eight
you
Live.
starting? Are you opening AMP?
Yeah, I have a Trade of Eight Live, but I want to have an AMP account just to like play around with it, bro. But I want to put like
Angel,
$500 and just see how far I can get it to, like full port the first few
can you
trades.
guys hear
But
me?
yeah,
Wait, I couldn't hear you if you were talking. My whole phone cut out.
I want to put like 500 in an AMP and just like full port it.
Yeah, cause I was I mean, I'm not gonna like talk about. I'll call you like privately and talk about it because I don't want to talk about it here. But before, the first account I had was a Trade of 8 live one, but the margin requirements for Trade of 8 was
A ban.
that shit. You know.
Yeah, you need a ban just to use a mini, and then
Yeah.
for me at least, I don't know if it's you. And my account was at like 12K or something. I couldn't like it would auto liquidate me if I would like full port it, bro.
Yeah, it does.
Ivy sucks at trading.
Yeah, I do.
So
Even
yeah, I
though
want to get an
Sam.
amp and just play around with it, see. But I don't know
Yeah,
though, because if I put $500 in it and I use $300 for margin, and I only risk like 5 points or something.
I think you should be fine. Just
Think so?
yeah, I think you should be fine. Cause I mean, I've seen the way you trade. I don't really think you're. I don't think you're going into too much drawdown, bro. To be honest with you.
Yeah. Dude, the trade I got this morning, I was like, probably like not even 5 ticks, bro.
Yeah. How much? How big is your stop loss? Oh, an NQ.
So
Crazy.
it depends, bro. Like, I don't always trade NQ. I only trade NQ when I get really good fills. But if I enter a trade and it's like over 10 points, I'll just switch to micros.
I see. You trade gold ever?
I used to at night.
I see. Gold. I love gold, bro.
Yeah.
This shit is fun, bro.
Whenever I used to trade gold, like the same thing would happen every single night, and it would just move one direction.
Yeah, it's so nice.
But I fucking hate gold now, bro. This shit
Why?
broke my heart.
It's so easy to trade it though. It's just longs on repeat.
Yeah. Nah, like I used to love gold and I used to bank on it, but then after I was like gathering data, bro, I realized my bigger months was when I only traded in Q.
Hmm.
So I was like, fuck.
Aren't you on? You have. I was talking to Bean. Don't you have like 20? Aren't you on like 20 XFAs right now in
No,
total?
I blew a bunch recently, bro. I had a bad like psych break, so I blew a
Hmm.
bunch. Didn't have 20 though. I had like 14 accounts.
Hmm.
Probably told being 20 so I could like flex on it, but now I had like 14.
That's fire.
Yeah,
I've
but I
never
blew.
even had. The most I ever had was 6.
Yeah.
20. 14. That's just another level, bro.
And I've had them for a while, bro. It wasn't like, oh, should I just pass 14 accounts? No, I had it for a minute.
Hmm.
So right
Yeah,
now I'm just
fundeds.
slowly.
Fundeds. Fuck. I was talking to Sam about this. Fundeds are really, really bad for my psychology, bro. Like,
Yeah,
look,
I've been
my
there.
psych.
Yeah, it'll cook you.
Like once you start getting payouts, you're like, damn, this $50 ain't shit.
Hmm.
And after you get your first few payouts, then you're chilling.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna find a picture of it. I'll throw it up in there.
Mantas, that's what you took?
Yeah.
Angel, you see VC chat, trading chat right here. See it, bro? This is what Ivy wishes he could do.
Now what?
Bro.
Yeah, I know Zeusy. Tap though.
Where are you looking
Bro,
at?
the only reason you recorded your trade, bro, is because I recorded a trade, bro.
Bro,
Come on.
this one's from yesterday, bro.
Exactly, and I recorded a trade the day before yesterday, bro. You only recorded the trade because you saw me record it,
You
and you
know
were like,
what,
Bro, it's
bro?
you
paper either
you
way,
called me
bro.
too, bro.
It
Bro,
is a
You
you
called me
paper
too
trade, bro.
after like my TP hit. He called me. He was like, yo, that was so tough. That was a tough ass idea. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro.
yeah, punch Ivy in his stomach.
Yo,
Sammy, that's
where'd you get
paper,
that
bro. It
saying
doesn't
from,
matter.
bro? Where'd you
What
get
happened?
that saying from?
It's paper, bro. It don't matter.
Bro, no, it's not. Hold on, let me see your screenshot.
Wait, what? What is? Oh no, Sam's trade was that was XFA. But Sam, why doesn't it show your logo? That's probably
I don't
why you
know.
got no traction on it, to be honest.
Yo, fuck you. No, I don't know. You see those two arrow thingies at the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, when I tap that, the thing pops up.
Yeah, you got to leave that on, bro. Especially if you're gonna post a recorded trade,
Yeah, I know.
bro. That shit that Bean took the other day, that shit was crazy. I don't know why he didn't take it on
Oh,
any.
that long he took?
Yeah, that shit
Yes.
was
Yeah,
crazy.
no. Dude, Bean be catching some bangers. It's just he's like retarded or something. I don't know.
Like I don't know why he's not taking that on his
Yeah.
account.
He be catching some fucking bangers.
Yo, what do you use for entry trigger? You enter at 0.5 PSP?
Me?
Yeah.
It depends, bro. Let me look at the trade I took today.
Yeah, send me a picture.
Yo, Mantis,
What?
you have Ivan trades in here?
Who's Ivan Trades?
What the fuck?
Who's
Who's
that?
Ivan Trades?
The order flow trader?
I think so.
Damn, that's crazy, bro. He's big.
Who is he?
Okay, hold on. Let me double check if he's legit.
Make sure it is. What? I don't. Huh? Oh, good. I'm not joking. This is sauce.
Bro, of course it's a fake ass fucking account, bro. Oh my god, dude. I was hyped for a second.
Middle two white circles.
Yo, so Ivy,
I don't get it.
trade I took this morning, it was because I was already in a long, but I had went break even because I didn't want NQ to dump for market
Yeah,
open,
it's right Sunday.
and it dumped a little bit. But once I saw it like going back up, I just re-entered, bro. I was on the 15-second. Cutting off.
Yeah, he sounds retarded, bro. You need to
Yeah,
hold.
Sam.
Well,
What are you opening Robinhood next
yeah,
month?
yeah.
All right. I
Why?
think you should do because I think I'm probably gonna switch my options account to Webull, to be
Oh
honest.
shoot, it
I
hit.
Is it
heard
better?
it's better.
No, it didn't.
I
How
heard
did
it
that
gives better
happen?
fills
Didn't even run
and
the
better
locals.
contract sizes.
Okay. Eclipse free money.
I see it now. Perform all of the legal. What?
Yeah, I'm gonna open a
Here,
live
just
account
send me a
as well.
screenshot, Josh.
How do you deal with taxes when trading? Most brokers just have a what's it called? Like the
I think.
forms.
Oh yeah, yeah. They have the form. No, he's talking about percentages.
Oh, yeah, I think
Yeah,
I think that depends on where you live, to be honest.
yeah. And then put it under my mom's LLC, and it was like 15%. He said that's robbery. Bitch, I nigga. Oh, yo, you were talking to me about M4 earlier.
Yeah. Yo,
Uh,
if Angel were to meet M4, that shit would be fried.
oh my God, he be flaming this
He would
nigga, bro.
fucking flame the
What's
fuck
wrong with
out.
M4?
He's oh my God, he posts his big ass trades, but they're all paper.
And he sells a course too, like he's never made any money, and he sells like a big ass course. He made
He
like
sells.
how,
Oh my,
how
he made
much did he
like two
make off of
bands.
Mantas? Like
I think he
He made
made
two
like
bands.
2,000. Yeah, 2,000 from his mentorship.
No, but the thing is, he refunded them.
Yeah.
How would he refund them?
He refunded them because he said he didn't have the right mental to teach or some shit.
I gotta see his
Bro, if I'm gonna
statistics.
scam someone, I'm never gonna refund them, bro. Fuck that.
I would have just took my money, bro.
Exactly. I would have took my bread and left, bro.
Yeah, he could have just. He hasn't done a face reveal. He could have just made a whole new account, bro.
Exactly.
yeah, I saw he changed his name to Bruce.
You gotta be fucking
Oh yeah.
kidding me.
Weird.
Here's TikTok.
Fish shining.
Alright, wait, wasn't he asking to do quant trading? To
Yeah.
learn quant trading?
Or no, Snibble, no.
He was asking like Cyrus to learn quant trading.
No.
Oh yeah, and Mantis. You can even ask Sam the reason why like Snibble's having trouble with like the top and bottom ticking shit is because he keeps trading the same. Like he watches a level get
right.
invalidated and then enters on the same. Like, I've seen him do it like multiple times.
Bro, it gets ran through, then it comes back to the price where he marked out, and he just shorts it.
It's so cooked.
Bro, it's just like I look for a 5 minute. I like if my level is good, I expect it for like a 5 minute order block to form. You do that? Do some shit like that?
Me?
Yeah. Oh, Snibble's here.
Snibble, he's here.
He just left.
Snibble, can you talk?
He
Yeah,
left.
he left.
Oh, wanna hear him.
Nah, but Sam, you can't even say every time you guys send those levels, bro. I always tell you that shit is
Fuck
your
you.
ass, bro.
No. The key open one up there was like it reacted like more.
Nah, I'm not even gonna lie though. Like half the time when you guys are like sending your levels and shit, I'm not even looking at the chart. I'm just telling you that shit is terrible.
Fuck you. Bro's not
It's
even
so
like
funny.
oh my God.
It's so funny to me. And then when you guys are like, "Yo, it got stopped out," I start laughing.
How's Asia? You guys still trade Asia, right?
Yeah, we do.
I
How's it
don't
been going?
anymore.
How's that going?
Yeah, how's it going?
It's good. I mean, I guess well, like somewhat the whole move overnight, but
Oh, dude, I just fucked up my pancake
bro,
again.
you do not know how to cook, you dumb bitch.
Dude, I put in 1 cup of mix and 1 cup of fucking water. I hate cooking.
Yeah, I just quit, bro.
It sounds like a retard. No, you just got done talking about it.
It's like you sound like a retard, or you sound like a retard.
I can't. Just send me a screenshot of what you're talking about. I really don't get it. at all. Switching the way you price deliver through seasons. Isn't that just seasonal tendency? I gotta see what ICT is saying. Give me a second.
Mantas, I'm gonna go and eat.
It's all good. Take it easy. I'm gonna head out in a bit too. It's about to hit 11.
Alright, yeah.
Yep. See ya. CISD. Yeah. I guess we can just anticipate. Well, it would be break even now, but let's see what ICT is saying. Oh, that's cool. Market review. Alright, we're gonna watch ICT's market review before we go. The extended line would have extended in relative trading up. Discover no random active precision escapes it. Alright, let's see what he has.
Good morning, folks. Welcome. So,
DXY.
that was
skip straight
right.
to the sauce.
Nice little buy side efficiency. It was too quick in over here. We are in gradient levels here with the fib, and you can see that down here. I started the live session, live stream on YouTube. I talked about all these things live. So everything I'm going to talk about here, except for the PM session, because I wasn't with you in the PM session. Everything in the morning session, I gave you live as it was happening, explaining it, talking to you. Actually, I said YouTube, didn't I? I meant to say X. I was posting things on X, so I just made a mistake there. The intermediate term sell side liquidity pool is underneath this low and below the gradient level of this, and it's anchored to the order block that's here. There's a huge down close series of candlesticks that is a bullish order block and change in the state of delivery. So that price is the open. You extend that forward. That's what this blue line is over here. That's the bullish order block. Okay. So we trade down into the gradient levels of that premium wick on the daily chart, and you can see how it's being respected there, and then rallied up. Now, what caused this? Now, I'm going to say something, and I know some of you people just simply won't believe this, okay? But I was literally minutes away from going on X and posting that if you're long, you want to be taking that off now and prepare for Thursday's effect, where the market tends to have, well, when it's been going up, it likes to create these false highs, and it can start to pull back. So the government shut down right now in the U.S., and as far as I'm concerned, they haven't been working for decades, so they should get their pay held as well. But the point is, it drops precipitously, and I wish I would have had the time to get on X and do this, because then I would have really looked like a rock star. But it is what it is. Just take my word for it. I was going to do it, but I didn't find my way to get to X in time to post it, and it moved too fast for me to mention it in this area here, because it was too quick in dropping. Trades down into the order block, and then we started meandering around in here. So we'll go into the 1 minute charts, and these will look familiar because this is what I was posting on X. Okay, and here's the regular trading hours opening price that starts the opening range high. Why is at the high? It's because we closed previous day's regular trading hours here at this price, and you can see the annotation there. And this is a full gap closure, and the intermediate
I need to
term
journal. I forgot to
sell-side
journal
liquidity
today.
was never taken.
Dang.
So that is bullish or bearish? Bullish. And then we meandered up back into this sell side imbalance, buy side efficiency. And I'm certain that some of you wanted to know why I annotated that one. Why did I annotate this
Macro
particular sell side imbalance, buy side efficiency, and labeled it an inversion fair value gap, and say not this one? Okay. Well, it's because we had the straight run right from the opening down to here. We created a short-term low, and then we rallied back up into this gap. So that's a fair value gap that's bearish, and then it sells off again and creates a lower low. Whenever you see market structure create a low with a lower low, if there's an imbalance in there,
I'm about to
there's
go
a
to the
huge
gym. I'll
probability
see you
that's going
soon,
to become an
Mantas.
inversion
All
fair
right, see
value
ya,
gap.
bro. Take it easy.
It doesn't mean it's going to happen immediately, but it means that you need to be aware of that one, because there's a structural run on liquidity where it drops, comes back a little bit, and runs a lower low. Anyone that was trying to catch a low here or a bottom, they get slaughtered. But that inefficiency, that run down there, is going to behave many times in the future as a inversion fair value gap. In the book, I'll give you more details. I don't want to give everything out here right now because everybody's literally taking notes right now and they're just throwing AI books together and putting them on Amazon. And it's just, I think it's cute that they're all trying to, talk like me and pretend they know what I'm talking about. They don't, okay? But their book sales are going to suffer soon. But the market uses this range here after it hits the full complete gap closure, comes back up to consequent encroachment of it, full gap closure, and then drops down into an order block here. And I said, this is where we're at, line in the sand, where either we run for intermediate term buy side, and if it's going to go there, what's resting above that? First presented fair value gap. Okay, and on X, I mentioned that some of you may look at this one here and call that first presented fair value gap. It is a fair value gap, but when I like to look for the specifics around trading with the narrative of first presented fair value gap, I want to look for the first one that has the very clear distinction between something like that, which is very
cool.
small. It's only like a tick, a couple ticks.
Clear distinction for the first presented gap, so the indicator is off. Needs clear distinction. So this one isn't it, this one is. Yeah, not enough distinction. This one is the first presented gap. Let's see how this holds up. I'll remember that.
Ticks rather. Handful of ticks. And then you have a couple handles here. That's much more prominent. It's much more obvious. It's a more visual displacement in price action versus small little tiny separations, which is a common gap. This is not a common gap. This is first presented displacement by definition, first presented fair value gap.
Okay, so first presented displacement. I'm craving crumble, honestly. I gotta go and get crumble soon.
Okay, so why is this intermediate term buy side? Because it's the buy side above this whole bit of business
it is prime for
retracing
Lawrence,
higher,
honestly.
and then went and made a lower low, closing the entire opening range
Rejecting
gap.
off of a macro high probability inversion.
So the liquidity that's resting above these relative equal highs, that's intermediate term. These are minor because it's inside this price leg that made the lower low at closing that opening range gap. So it's all structure related in terms of classifying market structure. Highs, lows, intermediate term highs, intermediate term lows, short-term highs, short-term lows. It's that kind of thing. I teach this also in the paid mentorship playlists. Go into 2016, 2017 playlists and look for the individual videos, and you'll see things being taught about market structure. So minor buy side,
I need it.
That's going to be drawn, but it goes right back up to regular trading hours, consequent encroachment, then back down into this sell side imbalance buy side efficiency. That's going to act as a inversion fair value gap.
Being an
We have a
alcoholic
wick
is better
that
than
drops
crumble?
down in
No
here.
way. I used to get crumble weekly. Also, I used to be using all that ICT logo mumbo jumbo, but I never really found much success with it. Not much behind it that I actually liked. You can use the Hopla ranges. From what I remember, we are supposed to anchor our... Actually, let's go into a clear chart so I can show you and try to explain what I know. Remove this. $243 should be the power of 3 number. Right here, we're gonna go to the hourly. Within the hourly, scale it to the 50-minute, and these levels are supposed to be respected during gold back numbers, I'm pretty sure. It's like 11. No, we gotta find it out. But the same person that you're probably hearing about the power of 3 using ICT's logo stuff is probably Hopla. Hold up. Demystifying ICT. 6 times I've gone over this. Here, I'll show you. This is it. Here, keep looking, Josh. Keep looking. These are the gold back numbers that we're supposed to be utilizing. This is basically if the PD array matrix. Right here, market symmetry. Look at this. ICT's logo, cut it in half the equilibrium. You fold the 2 places, the circles align. It actually means price will be mirrored. It's symmetrical. Unfilled range. Let's get over to it. Time. Hippo. January 28th. These are all of his examples of what he's using. But I gotta show you what I'm actually talking about though. This, right? Are you sure, gang? Because I'm pretty sure it is. Alright, show me. Just DM me in Discord and show me. Because this is like the only way I've seen it working or being utilized with these two different manipulation legs and fractalizing the power of 3. Candle counting right here. I was really gonna devote my life to learning this stuff, and I did for a while. I'd say yeah, for 3 to 4 months, I just straight up studied this book every single day. And these are the models for the rejection blocks, the fair value gaps, the market maker models. It kind of contextualizes everything. And these are the models that you're supposed to use with the knowledge. Yeah, I know. But yeah, for a while I have no idea. I don't remember. I don't know if I want to drop that PDF. Bro, I'm not going on the 15-minute chart. DM me on Discord. It takes too long for that. And then I don't have the actual quarter, but then you're supposed to combine it with I forgot. Let me see if I still have the edge I was talking about. And we mark it out. Oh. Manipulation, higher manipulation. Yeah, some people, I mean, Fearing uses it for define range really well, or DFR. He's really good at using it. Mirror towards, like this. Something like this is what they'd be taking. Last time I saw type trades that gold back traders take. I'll just keep this on my chart. See what happens, because it's been a long time since. What time was this at? 9? Yeah. I don't care about ICT's logo. I don't even care about Enigma or having the best model. I'm confident, I'm comfortable with what I do right now. I spent way too much wasted time trying to do all this shiny object stuff. Way too much time just to know it's not as good. It still intrigues me though. I never understood what he meant by a few things in the book. I kind of want to go over the candle counting though. So you take a time range, you use a daily chart, draw on the AMD cycle between the look back portions. You can see 2 portions here. 7 for the end of the AMD, 13 for the end of the M, 21 for the end of the D. So 7, 21. Oh gosh, darn it. Tuesday to Wednesday, was it? This is very concerning. Bro, add me in Discord and send me a screenshot of what you're talking about. I have no idea. Plus, think about all the quants and everything that develop algorithms, or all the people that, the millions of dollars you've got put into market research. Just to find some golden model. If they had some 100% win rate model, they'd be the richest people in the world. Yeah, this makes more sense looking at it like this. Okay, I won't leak anything. I won't say anything either. I'll be waiting for your DM. The logo is supposed to be vertical. Okay. Here, Mantas ICT is my Discord. You can become my bullshitter with my. Ooh, I see that. That is crazy though, how consistent that is with market structure. Where's another instance? Because I know that you're supposed to be using the 15 to hourly with 243, but let's wait for this to load. Oh, there was another one too, apart from this. There we go, I think it was this one. Yes, it was this one. Oh, that's fine. I'm just destroying this chart. This is crazy. Let me get the rest of it pulled up. Talk about enigmatic Josh theory. I'm just messing around with this because I can. I gotta change text to black as well so I could actually read some of it. 55 EQ, order block, rejection block, and what else did I have to look? Oh yeah, the gold back times. That is right. Right here. Oh, this seems like a nightmare. I'm gonna lose my mind. I should honestly bust this out and tell everyone that this is the sauce, become a LARPer on a secret account, and send people down the wrong path. Where's the 17 though? Because market is a mirror. You used it today? Send me your trade. Pending. Let me know when you added me. What's your username? I'll add you back. I gotta see this. I'm gonna show someone this inside of the and be like, bro, I found it. I cracked it. I cracked it, bro. Alright, other than that, I guess I'm done trading. Getting off, see you later. Alright, I'll see you later. Did you take a long? Wait, hold up. Snibble, did you long? I think not. Alright, I'll see you guys later. I'll see you next week. Kumu, I hope to see you in the future streams. It was nice hearing about your trades. I'll talk to you in DMs, Josh. But everyone else, I'm done trading. See ya.